so Cool Kicks just got here. About to go meet them at the front. Gonna go do some buying, some challenges at their booth. So it's gonna be crazy. So let's go check it out. Let's go. We're walking right in. First impression.
This shit is packed as fuck.
It's crazy, man. I ain't been to a convention in a minute. It's looking huge. I ain't expected it to be this big. What the hell is that?
Travis Scott head. 100 on the jump shot. Let's do it. Okay, best out of 3. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, money. Pocky, we gotta see you hit one. Oh! Let's go, 100 bucks. All right, listen, talk about a legendary link up. We got Common Hype, Cool Kicks. Wait, let's get a drip check, all 3 of you.
I got my moldy Lost and Founds. I got some pants somebody sent me. Shout out Hoes Matter for this. And shout out to Cool Kicks King.
All right, we busted out the Cause 4s, some light Richie Lee pants, Amadou shirt, Abercrombie jacket, and Union fitted.
Nike Vintage, some reworked Reborn pants, and then Hyper Royals. The VX 1000 dunks, double knees, Common Hype crew. I let my boy borrow my bracelets today, so he got them on today.
Who's got the best fit, or does the God Soul merch beat it all? It might. It might.
Oh, look, John, I see pandas.
We see pandas. Listen, let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. I'll do corn flip, 160, 180.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
All right, let's do it.
We love Riz.
160 or 180 for every single pair of pandas they got. How many pairs we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12 pairs of panda.
Hey.
He said heads.
Tails.
Tails. Cool Kicks W. Let's go. YBN Namir at God Soul.
Right.
Just walked in. What do we think?
Man, shit is packed in the motherfucker out here. I ain't gonna lie, we just got in this motherfucker. We seen a line earlier. I'm like, oh hell no, we gonna come later.
Cool Kicks just bought some more pandas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 3. 4680 total. All right, it's too late in here. We gotta go Instagram live. We're live. If you're not at LA God Soul right now, you're missing out. One of these sneaker content goats coming up.
My name is Rami, man. Go subscribe to Ramitheicon. I do shoe content.
How many subs did you just hit?
I just hit 300K, and we're finna hit 400K before the year ends. 3 months ago, I was at 50,000 subscribers.
That
I've been
means
doing
he's
YouTube for
up,
like a year though.
he's
But
up
yeah.
250K subs in a few months. This is your first God Soul. Give your impression. What do you think?
This is crazy. I ain't gonna say our SneakerCon was the wave before this, but I ain't gonna lie. God Soul might be the new. God Soul might be it now. So shout out God Soul.
How much on this? Do 180 on those.
Let's just gonna do 140. I'll take the UNC though, 400, man.
Hey, up like 450, I think I'll go.
420. All right, cool.
420?
420 for the UNCs. Hey, this is a good shoe.
It is.
This one that's gonna move in the store.
I got rid of these, man. I had these personally. I sold them like a dumbass, but I gotta get them back. If I find a size 9.5 used for the right price, I'm gonna get them.
9.5 used. Sling it. Let's go.
Holla at me, bro.
All right, so what do they come in? Just the 3s or other stuff too?
Copy, UNC 3 size 10, 2 panda size 12, 1 size 13, and
USC.
and size 9 USC for 140. Good cash out.
Quick little 1100.
Shout out God Soul customer service. They got me the table last night.
We had one person that backed out. It's like, yo, I can't come. Hit my boy.
And I need to get you the 13.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I mean, how many pairs you guys buy already today?
I haven't even turned around. I'm so hungry right now, guys. I would do anything for an In-N-Out burger right now.
Little link up. We got Soul in the building. What's up, man? Who we finessing?
He finessed me today.
Hey, we unbanned. So unbanned.
Nah, he's not. He's officially unbanned.
He's unbanned.
Make sure you go check out God Soul. My boy going global.
Appreciate it, bro.
Line of hustle.
Appreciate it, bro. All right, real quick. Dad, what do we think of the event?
I'm kind of blown away. LA has really come out for God Soul, right? The whole community has come out. The lines
Show
are
him the turnout, man. Show him the turnout.
just unbelievable. The amount of people that are here is insane, right? The people that believe in God Soul and that came and drove and got on planes and trains
And bought a raffle ticket.
and bought from me. I give the deals. I'm the deal maker. So my job, right? My job is to make you smile at the end of the day. Just give me some money and I'll help you smile, all right?
Adele, there's someone you really have to meet. And that's Pops. That's my dad.
Wow. We gotta get a drip check of Pops.
How you know who I am?
Dad, hey, zoom in on that.
God
Legend.
Soul, wait, let's show him real quick the God Soul ones. Joey and I started God Soul when we were 14 and 16 years old. Pop's been supporting from the beginning, right? When we were 14 and 16, we started this. 23, 25 now. First event was 18 tables, 200 people in Boston. Now we're in LA, and that's what this shows. Boston with the Shamrock to worldwide with the Globe. So that's what it's all about. What's going on? We're at LA God Soul with Cool Kicks. What do we think? We just got here.
That's beautiful, man. I met your Pops. He's a dope dude.
dude. There's so many new faces here. Seeing a lot of young kids in the sneaker game excites me. We're trying to cash out, so if y'all got some dunks, we're coming to every God Soul in 2023. We're gonna just buy every table out.
Joey, what do you think?
In the first 30 minutes, the guy bought like what? 100 pairs of dunks.
Yeah.
So
Make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. Go subscribe to Cool Kicks too. But we're gonna do a little giveaway. So usually we do $100, but we just hit 10K subs. Actually about to hit 15K subs. Listen, 2 pairs of lost and found Jordan 1s we're gonna be giving away. You gotta sub to us, gotta sub to Cool Kicks. Comment your favorite part of the video, and let's go. Let's
get
run
it
up. 2023. What are we picking up?
4 more pandas for 170 each.
4 more pandas. Anything else?
How much you want for the lows right here?
yeah, I could do 150.
I'll just do the pandas.
Pandas it is. We got another 4 pairs, another 680, all pandas. What's the offer?
160 or 170 coin flip.
160 or 170 coin flip, 15 pairs of pandas.
Heads.
Tails!
Let's go. Champ for Ramitheicon.
Joey, we're just gonna throw a panda in the crowd.
All right, cool. Who wants a free God Soul shirt? Over here, let me hear you say God Soul. That's kind of weak. Over here, let me hear you say God Soul. Over here. They're weak, they're definitely not there. Right here, let me hear you say. All right, cool. We got a couple more. Listen, who wants some free pandas? Let me hear you make some noise for Cool Kicks. Come on, make some noise. All right, cool. Listen, free pandas. Oh, let's give away some cash. $100. All right, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If you win, you get $100. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, next man up. Next man up right here. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, $100. Let's go. $200. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! 200 for her. 200. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! And one more. Last one. $100. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!
She just won $500 playing rock, paper, scissors with Cool Kicks. Let's go. What'd you pick? Rock, paper, or scissors? Rock. All right, rock. Here we go. All right, Cool Kicks heading out of God Soul. What we think?
Crazy experience, man. There was like 500 people there going crazy for the rock, paper, scissors. God Soul merch, man. I can't wait for 2023. It's gonna be 3 times bigger than this.
Oh, we're gonna run it up. Mina too.
Mina, shout out minaswap.com. Make sure to stay tuned on that.
Hey, make sure you comment, subscribe. We're doing that giveaway, so run it up. We're running the channel up. We're
make sure
doing
y'all
a giveaway over
subscribe to
there.
God Soul. Get them to 100K, man. They're on the road.
Right,
Like,
right.
comment. They finna blow up soon, so it's
Let's
only
do it.
right you're a part of the blow up.
Let's get it. Good luck with everything. Peace.